Hello and welcome to the semifinals of Paper Aces, a knockout distance competition featuring 16 incredible paper airplanes. In today's matchup, we have two of the most popular paper airplanes on this channel. It's Plasma X versus Arrowhead. In the last round, Plasma X had a highly contested matchup against Dagger, while Arrowhead absolutely breezed past Zenith. So let's see which one of these two foldable flight classics will make it to the finals. 3, 2, 1, go! And with that, Plasma X is our victor. While Arrowhead performed well, Plasma X just has a longer range, leading to a score of 4-1. With this result, Arrowhead is eliminated from the tournament, and Plasma X advances to the finals, where it awaits the winner of Alkanost and Durandal. If you would like to learn how to fold Plasma X or Arrowhead, just click on those tutorials on the left side of your screen, and if you'd like to see the next race in this tournament, just click on that video on the right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next race.